Today, we are going to share with you the success story of how we transformed the global operations of a leading Fortune 100 CPG firm. Our CPG client decided to migrate their ERP platform into SAP S4 HANA. But the challenges they faced were: there was no single repository for them to have the as-is and to-be process. Their process document were stored in multiple formats, making it difficult to consolidate. Challenges with change management due to the lack of as-is processes. And there were plenty of siloed roles operating disparately. To overcome all these challenges, we decided to go with SAP Signavio to create the centralized repository. With this brief, let's see how we made this transition. First, what we did was to capture the entire value chain of the organization. It contains close to 11 L1 process. Then we identified all the L2 to L5 level subprocess under each function and categorized based them as process and scope for the migration. Processes where we have the process map created, and where we need to create from scratch. Based on that, we reached out to individual process owners and constructed the entire flow. For now, let's take the procure-to-pay process. Under P2P, we captured process procurement of direct materials, procurement of consigned inventory, purchase material planning, and so on. Under each of these, we constructed the process flow diagram capturing all keystroke activities. We incorporated our best practices and used appropriate naming conventions, standards, and color codes. We also indicated whether the activity was performed manually or by system, which large helps with the automation initiatives. Similarly, we created for all processes under procure-to-pay. Then we went on to establish the entire value chain. And, within a record 6 months of time, we built close to 2,000 plus process flows from 3 business units across Europe, US and Canada, and helped to create a consolidate repository. To summarize the benefits, at the end of the engagement, we created the centralized repository and aided in smooth migration to S4 HANA. We identified siloed roles. Estimated resource offshoring could result in $34 million savings. Insights on manual touchpoints aided in automation. Established best practices for change management. Contact us to know how we can help transform your business process. Thank you for taking the time to listen to our presentation. We are happy to answer any questions you may have.